What is going on, guys? This is Yo here, back with you again with another video update on bullx Neo and Novaclick Chrome extension plugin. Of course, just a few hours ago, bullx Neo has successfully managed to block the use of Novaclick extension on their trading terminal, which is why once you visit the terminal, you get this message saying suspicious extension detected. Of course, just last week when they started that, I made a video on how to actually address that, which is this right here, as you can see, currently trending. And of course, they have managed to actually block this strategy as well. So that is why we are going to also be using an additional Chrome extension to actually bypass this, of course, suspicious extension detected stuff. So which is why I'm super excited, and of course I believe you will. Just few minutes to actually set everything up, and of course you are good to go. So but right before we actually dive into the video, if this is your first time coming across a video like this, kindly drop a like, and of course subscribe to the channel if you have gotten value out of the video you are about to watch. So that being said, let's actually dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to over to your Chrome web store by actually clicking on the three icon at the top. Of course, scroll down, you see where it says extension, click on it, and of course come to the search bar and search this extension called Tampermonkey. So what you need to do, Tampermonkey, of course you don't have to actually bother about it. As you can see, they have over 10 million users. So what you need to do is to click on the add Chrome right here, click on the add extension. So once you install the extension, the next thing you want to do is to still hover your mouse where it says this three dot at the top, scroll all the way down to where it says extension right here, click on manage extension, and of course at the top right hand side right here, you want to make sure that you have this developer mode turned on. So make sure you have it turned on. The next thing you want to do is to hover your mouse where it says update right here, so click on the update. So once you get updated, as you can see at the down, the next thing you want to do is to hover your mouse to here that says extensions, click on it, and of course toggle this Tampermonkey on, and of course we have it right here. So the next thing we want to do is to click on it, and of course you want to click on here that says create new script, so click on that. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to just place your cursor inside here. Just type it, as you can see, just place your cursor, and of course highlight everything, Control A, and of course delete. So once you delete, you want to impute this code that I am about to give you in this particular video. And of course, to get access to the script, all you have to do is to join my Telegram group down below. There will be a Telegram in the comment section of this video, and of course as well as in the description of the video. So go into my Telegram channel and of course copy the code and of course insert it right here. Let's refresh and see. Okay. So voila, as you can see, it has actually just popped up our quick buy of Novaclick on bullx Neo platform. So let's quickly open any one of this and see whether we can have a quick buy and sell. So let me open it. Voila, as you can see, we now have it right here. Our buy buttons are here, and of course we can switch it to sell, as you can see. So that's how easy it is. And of course, real tip before you actually walk out the video, what I want you to do is that once you finish all this process, and of course you try to refresh your bullx Neo, and of course you notice it is not working, what you need to do right here is to uninstall or remove the Novaclick extension from your web store. What I mean by that, just remove it. Of course you are going to be installing it back again, so just go back to your Telegram bot, of course your Nova Telegram bot, click on the this menu right here, and of course click on settings right here. So click on settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to be having these options right here. So what you need to do is to click on here that says need more help, click on here. So once you click on it, you just need to open this doc. That is where Nova have all it step-by-step process. The reason why I'm actually asking you to follow it from here is that I don't want you to install a wrong extension, which will actually eventually lead to a draining of your wallet. So that's actually that. Once you have it, it will bring you to a page exactly like this. All you have to do is just click on here that says NovaClick Chrome extension. So that way we are quite sure that we are installing the extension right from the NovaClick guide. So once you click on it, it will take you to Chrome Web Store, and of course that way you can install the extension back again. And of course once you install it, just come back to your bullx Neo terminal and of course refresh. You have everything set for you to actually move and trade your meme coins. So that's actually that. This video was actually inspired by a guy on X called Red with Bag. Of course, so a good shout out to him. He's a legend, of course, for for responding to this issue quickly. Just few hours of bullx Neo blocking everyone, and of course he made a banger about this quick script. So if you want to get access to the script, it will be down below in my Telegram group. Make sure you actually join the Telegram group, of course, for more updates like this. So that's it from me. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.